So now I want to talk a little bit more about CannaChefMD, cooking and learning with Dr. Les. It is going to be a far-reaching thing in the future. We're going to do YouTube, we're going to do Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the platforms that we're going to be on. So the first 6 months, what we plan on doing is basically just learning how to cook, make CannaButter, make tinctures, make topical, make RSO, make all other products. So really focus on that. I might throw some recipes in there that are really cooking with food. But after about 6 months, we have our following, we have our videos down, we have our resources that we're using. And then what we want to do is kind of expand it out to where we will cook, I will cook, Dr. Vicky will cook. We may have some of our children and friends cook, but also we will have some guest chefs. There are some really good chefs in Tallahassee, as there are a lot of great restaurants. So we're going to invite chefs in from the community to cook cannabis-infused dishes. So that's going to be super, super exciting, and it's going to expand. There's also a group, Facebook, Instagram group in Tallahassee called Tallahassee Foodies, and they will be involved with this project also. And we will go forward and prosper.